Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking the bank. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On my left, we've got the DEERC drone D70, and on my right, the TOMZON A23 mini drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be one high-flying comparison. Helicopter. Let's start with the price. The DEERC drone D70 is priced at $79, while the TOMZON A23 mini drone is just $39. So if you're on a budget, the TOMZON A23 already has your wallet's attention. But remember, folks, you get what you pay for. Or do you? Let's find out. Both drones are beginner-friendly, but let's break it down. The DEERC drone D70 promises you can master it in 10 minutes. That's less time than it takes to figure out your grandma's TV remote. Meanwhile, the TOMZON A23 boasts one key takeoff and throw to go, because nothing says easy like throwing a drone and praying it just doesn't crash. Reviewers say the DEERC drone D70 is easy to use, although reading the manual is recommended to understand all features. The TOMZON A23 is praised for being easy enough for a 4-year-old to fly. Now, let's talk fun. The DEERC drone D70 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It's got 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotation, circle fly, and even gesture selfies. It's like the drone went to a party and took all the best tricks with it. On the flip side, the TOMZON A23 also offers 3D flips, high-speed auto-rotation, and circle fly. Sure, it's not as feature-packed, but hey, it's got colorful LED lights. It's like a flying rave party for your kids. According to reviews, the TOMZON A23's LED lights and ease of control make it a hit among kids. Next up, camera quality. The DEERC drone D70 comes with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera, perfect for capturing those epic aerial shots. The TOMZON A23? Well, it doesn't have a camera. So if you're into photography, the TOMZON A23 is about as useful as a chocolate teapot. Reviewers note that while the DEERC drone D70's camera quality isn't top-notch, it is acceptable for its price range. Durability and safety, nobody wants a drone that shatters like grandma's china. The DEERC drone D70 is foldable and compact, making it super convenient to carry around. It even fits in your pocket. The TOMZON A23, on the other hand, is made of tough materials with propeller guards. It's like a flying tank for kids. So if your kids are mini daredevils, the TOMZON A23 might be the way to go. Reviewers highlight the durability of both drones, with the DEERC drone D70 standing up to multiple crashes and the TOMZON A23 holding up well under rough play. Flight time. The TOMZON A23 comes with 2 modular batteries, giving you a total of 18 minutes of fun. The DEERC drone D70, however, doesn't specify its flight time. So let's just say it's a mystery, like where your other sock went. Reviewers of the DEERC drone D70 mention that its battery life is close to advertised, while the TOMZON A23 is noted for its decent battery life considering its size. Based on online reviews, the DEERC drone D70 is highly praised for its durability, ease of use, and value for money, despite some minor issues with camera quality and Wi-Fi range. On the other hand, the TOMZON A23 mini drone is loved for its affordability, durability, and ease of use, making it a perfect choice for kids and beginners. So what's the verdict? The DEERC drone D70 is like the Rolls-Royce of beginner drones, packed with features and a killer camera. But if you're on a budget and just want something fun and durable for the kids, the TOMZON A23 mini drone is a solid choice. Either way, you're in for a heck of a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Buy smart. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a high-flying episode. Leave a comment below on which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, shop smart and fly high. Scissor.